Hey, I'm Danijela, and as you can see on my YouTube channel there are some videos in Slovenian language because I'm coming from Slovenia. And welcome to my YouTube channel, of course, and please subscribe. I promise I will put some subtitles there because many of you doesn't understand me. And also, as I promised, I'm recording this video with some basic Slovenian words that you can learn Slovene. And today I will start with greetings. So, for hi or hello, we are using a formal and informal form of greeting. So, informal form is zdravo. 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 And you can use it with your friends, family members, or people you know. And then there is a formal form, and this is like used with elders in some companies or people you don't know, and that is dober dan. Dober dan, and literally means good day. Dober dan. So this is like this is used like through the whole. You can use it through the whole day. And then there is good morning. Good morning is dobro jutro. Good dobro, morning, jutro. Dobro jutro. Dobro jutro. And it is for formal and informal form. And then in the evening, we are saying good evening, dober večer. Good evening, dober večer. Good, dober, evening, večer. Dober večer. And it's also used in formal and informal situations. Yeah, so that's it. And we also, besides this, we also use like hi, hey, ciao, hejla, ojla, and all kinds of greetings, so people will understand you. You just a little bit of try and everyone will understand you. No problem. And then we are having like goodbyes. For goodbye, we also have formal and informal form. For formal form, it's na svidenje, na svidenje. And for informal form, we are just saying adio, adio, or just dio. And yeah, this is used like through the whole day. Except in the evening, you can say, or when you're going to bed, you're saying good night. And this is like lahko noč, good night, lahko noč. It literally means easy night. Lahko, easy, night, noč, lahko noč. And we also use all kinds of different goodbyes, like bye-bye, dio, ciao, and anyway, people will understand, don't worry. And you can also say like see you. See you means se vidimo. See you, se vidimo. Or see you soon, se vidimo kmalu. Se vidimo kmalu. But if you're going somewhere for a long time, you say farewell, and in Slovenian it's like zbogom. Farewell, zbogom. And it literally means like with God. Go with God. Pojdi zbogom. But it's like not using often. You just say bye, adio, dio, do svidenje, and that's it. Because now it's like time when people are going on the vacations or in some beautiful places, you can say goodbye and enjoy, or bye, enjoy, and that means adio, uživaj, enjoy, uživaj, adio, uživaj. Or have a good time, imej se lepo. Lepo se imej, or lepo se imej. Have a good time. Lepo se imej. So yeah, that will be all for now. Those are greetings, and I hope you will enjoy learning Slovene, and see you in some next video. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, and goodbye, see you, adios, se vidimo.